Hi guys, just a quick review here of the BELKERTECH USB-C hub optimized for the iPad Pro year 2018 or later models. So here it comes equipped with 6 additional ports there on this hub. You've got a USB 3.0, USB-C, HDMI, micro SD, standard SD, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So we'll just give it a quick unboxing here and run through some of the ports. So again, comes well packaged there in a solid box. Open it up, we get a leather sleeve there for maybe transporting it, some additional paperwork, and here we have our port or our hub here. We've got our headphone jack, USB-C, standard SD and micro SD card, 4K HDMI port, and at the top here we've got our USB 3.0 port, and in here we just have a little divider piece here. Depending or not if your iPad Pro has a cover or a keyboard attached, this may be required, but in our case we shouldn't need it, so we could just disregard that. So again, very straightforward connection. We're just going to attach it up here, up in the top right hand corner. Fits very smoothly and well fitted there. Again, no interference at all with our Apple Pencil connection, plenty of leeway there. And once connected here into our USB-C port on our iPad, again, we have our white indicator light indicating everything is connected. And now we can just check out some of the ports in our Files app. Hi guys, so here we are in our Files app on our iPad Pro. We have our USB-C hub attached there up in the top right hand corner. So we'll just maybe check out a few of the ports here. So if we just insert maybe a standard SD card here into our port, almost immediately here we have it appear here in our locations, and from there we can import maybe a test folder. We can copy it, whatever we need to do here, or duplicate it here in the Files app. Again, very straightforward. In addition to that, we can also plug in maybe a USB stick up here. Again, maybe appears here almost instantly in our location sector. Once again, we can move or transfer files or folders there from our Toshiba. Now, one note of caution I have found is that BELKERTECH, in the paperwork, it does say that only one port can be used at a time. So maybe just bear that in mind. If you had maybe an SD card and a USB plugged in, it may not allow you to maybe use both ports simultaneously to maybe move or migrate information. Just another look here at maybe the HDMI connection, if you wanted to maybe mirror your display from your iPad to maybe a second monitor or even a TV. Again, just utilizing the HDMI port, simply connected into your iPad and then again mirrored straight away on your display, no issues whatsoever. One other bonus that I have found, although the hub has been designed with the iPad Pro in mind, for those of us who have maybe a newer model laptop, such as maybe the MacBook Pro, all of which comes with the USB-C ports, the BELKERTECH hub will also work with a laptop. So again, very straightforward. If we just connect it here into our USB-C port, again, we have the white indicator light, and we can just pop in maybe an SD card, and again immediately connected and shows up here on our desktop. And again, you can edit or you can import or transfer files there to your laptop. So that was just a quick unboxing there and review of the BELKERTECH USB-C hub for the iPad Pro. All in all, very good product. It saves you having to buy maybe multiple dongles for either maybe your iPad or your USB-C laptop. One thing I would advise is maybe if you're not using the dock, certainly maybe disconnect it, as it can get quite bulky on your laptop, and of course you don't want to run the risk of damaging maybe the USB-C port on your iPad. So again, very straightforward to remove. Just unplug it here and slide off the top right hand corner. If you found this video useful or helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.